Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple insole for your sandals. So the materials we are going to need include shoe sole, marco, scissors, pen, contact adhesive gum. This light gum is mostly used for insole, while the thick one is used for lasting shoes, but I do mix the two for my insole. So you carry the shoe sole and place it on the marco and press it down like this. When you remove it, you will see a line on the marco. Not from this side, but from the inner side here, you will draw a line round. Just place your pen and draw your line round from the inner side. Then use your scissors and cut it out. Place it on the shoe sole to see if there is any adjustment you will need to make. Mark where you put your glue and the leather. So if you are doing the other leg of the shoe, you carry the other shoe sole and repeat the same process that we did with this false sole. So on this side that we put a mark, we are going to apply gum. And this is the leather I'm using, is very soft. It will enable me to fold it around the marco easily. I will advise you not to use hard leather, but to use soft leather that you can easily fold. So you put the marco on the leather and turn the side we mark upside down. This is the right side of the leather and this is the wrong side. So use your pen and draw a line where you apply your gum so that you will not waste it on the places that we don't need it. This is where we'll apply our gum, and we'll apply it here on the side that we mark also. So let it dry before we join the two together. When the gum dry, you will see that it is not sticking to your hands again. When you put your hand, it will not stick. So you will turn the marco this way and place it on top of the leather gently. So we're going to apply gum again round by the side of the marco so that it will enable us to fold it well. So we'll let it dry before we come back to fold it round. Now that it's dried, as you can see, it's not sticking to my hands again. We are going to fold it round. This part is really very important, so you should pay attention to how I'm folding it. So we're going to use our razor and cut this ruffle at the back, but if you have filing machine you can use it to file it off. So repeat the same thing round until you cut off all the ruffles at the back. So after cutting it off all, you can see how it looks. No more ruffle on it. So it can lap very well on the shoe sole. So you carry the shoe sole and place it on the shoe sole, and you see how it will lap on the sole. So you can see that it laps so well on the shoe sole. So please, if you love this tutorial, kindly give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing, because on this channel I teach simple crochet DIYs, recycling tutorials, and how to make African craft sandals. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.